This is a quick solution video about what works regarding tinnitus, that constant hissing sound that's coming from your brain waves. Yes, brain waves, not from your ears, as doctors might tell you. I mentioned all of this in my previous video if you have not seen it. It's titled Tinnitus: The Truth. In it, I mentioned that it may be occurring because some of us with the ringing sound have a higher acidic blood system or pH. So I suggested try using baking soda. Well, I tried it, and at first I assumed it wasn't working. Well, surprise, surprise, it does work. Here's what I discovered. When I take a quarter teaspoon of baking soda with a cup of warm water, I found that it does not take effect for a good 24 hours. That's because it takes a while for all your blood to come down on the pH scale, or to be more alkaline. Sometimes it takes longer or even less time. A lot depends on your diet, and guess what? Many of the foods we eat and drink are acidic. Yep, that's right. Just about every drink has some acid in it, like juices, tomato juice, orange juice. All sodas have acid, and even coffee is acidic. When it comes to foods, we eat a lot of pizza with tomato sauce, or steak spiked with acidic sauces for that zing flavor. And how many of us eat spaghetti with tomato sauce? Vinegar is used in many cooking dishes, including salads. Fruits are acidic, like cherries, peaches, oranges, and you get the picture. So I discovered that when I stopped taking the glass of baking soda after my morning coffee, my ringing lasted for 3 weeks constantly. So that's how I knew that taking baking soda does help. After I started taking baking soda again, the ringing stopped. Now, I do not take it every day because I am not so sure how healthy it is to do so, even though the makers of baking soda, Arm & Hammer, claims it is safe for with some warnings. Take too much and you can stop your heart, I suppose. When I hear it ringing again, which could be anywhere from a day to as much as 3 days later, I take another drink of soda water. Again, I have to wait for it to take effect, and that's okay for me. I'll play it safe. The nice thing about the baking soda is that it cleanses my mouth of coffee breath, and my teeth get protected from acidic attacks, which can lead up to cavities. I only wish I had used the baking soda after my morning coffee from when I was working for the federal government. Back then, I had several guys telling me about my coffee breath. A mint doesn't do as good a job as baking soda does. Thank you for watching. Visit us at larryandjane.com.